Okay guys, today we're gonna roast coffee. The first thing I do, I will switch on the gas. I will start the machine. I will make sure everything is correct, and then I set up the flame about 10%. After 20 minutes, I will increase the flame until 20%. It will take about 30 minutes until the machine ready to roast. While waiting the machine is warm up, I prepare the green bean. I take the green bean from the storage. For now, I want to roast coffee from Brazil. I will weight the coffee. For example, like 12 kilos. I put into the hopper. When the coffee roaster is ready, drop the green bean into the coffee roaster. The temperature of the coffee roaster will lower. In this step, we will see that the coffee will adapt into the temperature of the drum roaster. After 1 minute, it will be rising, and that is the turning point. So, when the turning point happens, we will increase the power of the flame into the maximum. For example, like 100. Now we are going to the part when the coffee begins to change color. It is called yellowing. It happens around 5 minutes, or the temperature 150 until 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we're going to hear the first crack. First crack happen when the coffee sounds like popcorn. It will crack, and the first thing you will hear the pop sound like. That's the signal of the first crack. You have to take note what the temperature of the first crack. For example, like usually first crack happen around 195 degrees Celsius, and you have to be careful about the first crack. You have to turn down the flame, so we don't need much flame anymore. Maybe we can set up around 30% flame, and also we have to increase the airflow, because if we not increase the airflow, the coffee will taste smoky. So we have to make the airflow come from the drum roast. After first crack happen, the second step is development. This is also the crucial period, because if we want to roast coffee for espresso, the development time will be happen around 2 minutes. Otherwise, if you want to roast for the filter coffee for V60 or AeroPress, something like that, the develop time it's around 1 minute or 1 minute 30. When you want to drop the coffee, you have to see the color. In coffee roasting, you can use your sight, you can use your sense of smell, you can use your sense of touch. Now you can check the dryer to see the color of the coffee, and you also can smell the aroma. When we want to drop in the beans, first we have to make sure that the cooling tray and the fan is on. After we drop in the beans, we have to cool it as fast as we can, because if we not cool it, the coffee will still heat it. The reason why we cool it, to make the temperature of the coffee stable. So we have to cool it around 33 minutes or 4 minutes. After the coffee is cool enough, we will turn on the stoner. It will vacuum the coffee, and it will separate things like stone or stick, danger material inside the coffee bags. Okay, after the coffee finish inside the stoner, and we leave it for degassing. Degassing is the process of the coffee to release the gas from the roasting. So the maximum time is 1 day.